This ALS patient, Casey Harrell, lost his ability to speak, but now
it feels a lot like me.
Harrell talking again through a revolutionary brain implant and AI-powered app.
It makes people cry who have not heard me in a while.
Brain activity is translated into speech, and not just any speech, but a version of Harrell's own voice, cloned with machine learning using previous recordings. The technology is still in the early stages of testing, but already it's much faster than more traditional assistive devices like the one Stephen Hawking famously used that track muscle, facial, or eye movements to slowly type out words.
If you walked in the room and you said, "Hey, how are you?" I think you could get a response back in about 10 or 20 seconds.
And researchers say in a new study published in the New England Journal of Medicine that it's 97% accurate. The technology, life-changing for both Harrell and his family.
I hope that we are at a time when everyone who is like me have the same opportunity as I do to have a device like this that will help them communicate